Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm just gonna make a quick update. This is gonna be unscripted and as raw as it can be about Bitcoin right now. So we have a general idea what will be the next entry point on Bitcoin. Now, the highest price I think was like 108, 110,000 per Bitcoin. As you can see here on the chart, it tried to break up, and then there's some resistance. Try to break up, there is some resistance, and the price going down. Now, of course, nobody can predict the future, but at least you can have some probabilities going on. Now, yes, let's do in favor of the bull run. Let's say Bitcoin keeps going up, which is, it's a probability. We still have some chance on the top here, but also we can go down. And even if we go up, I estimate the next good entry point will be between 20, 25, and 30,000 price per token, price per Bitcoin. And I'm basing this, if you compare this to what happened the last time, like you can see here, the price went up, you see, it got rejected. This was on the 21. Basically, two shoulders here, and it got rejected again, and then it went down. Of course, we had the bear market. It's normal to happen, and the lowest it went down, I think it was like 15,000, give or take, and then it went back up again, which is, those big swings are normal for Bitcoin, as you can see here. So now, this is just an estimate, that might happen. I think we might be in this area, so maybe like I said, it's gonna go down, it's gonna spike up again, but let's see what happens. We never know exactly what's going to happen, but my next good entry point is gonna be in this area, 25, 30. Let's be a little bit more, let's leave a little bit more of space, maybe in the I just realized, I don't know if the thing recorded it, but we were in this area, whatever. And I'm gonna go to shoulders. The 15,000 was on around 2022. I think we got some rejection in here. Very strong resistance on the top. So I think the price is gonna keep going down until Let's be a little more. Let's have a little more space. Let's move this to 35, something like that. So I think this area is gonna be a very good entry point to buy, to load up. Here will be perfect, which, maybe we can go down to 20. Last time we went down to 15,000. I'm not very positive that it's gonna go down that much. I think it will stay around, between this area, 35 and 25-ish. I think that will be a great entry point. And even if it goes down a little more, I think that's a very, very good entry point for Bitcoin. Of course, then all the other tokens will follow up and all that. And even then, this is a daily chart, by the way, in case you didn't notice. So let's see what happens in the next few weeks, with this upcoming week. What I do notice a lot here, I don't feel very bullish from this point right now. There's a lot of resistance, but like I said before, there's always a chance it's gonna go up. But based on the history, based on everything, since it didn't break this resistance right here, I feel 70-80% confident that it's gonna go down. Let's put a line here. You know what? I think we should put a line here. Like, I'm just putting a random line. Okay, so if Bitcoin cross under, let's round up some numbers. 80,000 goes down and stays under this line, I'm gonna be 100% bearish, 100%. I mean, right now is not the time to buy. I mean, we already have a strong resistance right here. You see here? Boom, down, boom, down. But like I said, it might be just trading sideways a little more, and then it's gonna keep going up because we still have some space up here. But that's not 100%, guarantee. It's better to buy on the cheapest side, right here, than buying expensive. But worst case scenario, if you already bought here and you don't want to take any losses, you just need to wait a couple of years. I mean, Bitcoin is not going anywhere. If you buy it here, and then you can load up more over here. But personally, I will not be buying anything here. Any token, nothing, nada. I'm just gonna be waiting until price tanks, and then gonna buy in this area. I'm basing on that. I'm sorry, shit, this zoom out is gonna drive me nuts. I'm basing on this on how everything is going. I will take a look at some altcoins, especially Bitcoin, but I will take a look at some altcoins that have at least a couple of $1 million in liquidity. That means, I mean, it's not a guarantee they're gonna be good, but at least there's a high probability they're gonna make really good on the next bull run. Especially if they have been alive for at least a year and have a very solid team. You can notice that on Telegram pretty easy. And of course, strong liquidity, which means a couple of $1 million in liquidity, which is amazing. I think 20. You know what? Let's be a little bearish. Let's just be a little more bearish. Like the deepest I feel it might go is 20. I don't think it will be low. It will go lower than that. 20, give or take, and then between this range is a good price to buy. And if you buy here, I mean, it's not a big deal. That shit, it's gonna keep going up eventually. It's gonna recover. But yeah, that's what I'm waiting on right now. We have this massive bull run, blah blah blah. Like I said, I mean, we all not always have the best bull runs, but yeah. And let's think differently. Let's say it goes up to, which is my other line, 190. That's my estimated. Like if we are super bullish, like if we are bullish on this upcoming year, 2025, 2026, I think it will reach at least 190, 200, give or take, around that area. According to the logarithmic, prices of Bitcoin. I think that will be a very bullish sentiment. And then, of course, we're going to go down all the way down here to 35. And depending on how high it goes, that's where I'm going to be updating my buy entries in this part, which I think is a pretty solid idea on how it's going to be. But yeah, I mean, this is not financial advice. It's just a quick let's say raw informative on the Bitcoin chart, daily chart, how everything is going. Of course, we need to keep track on this and modify the lines according to how the market moves. But long story short, the highest it might go at least 190 or 200,000 per Bitcoin if we are very bullish, and then if the resistance if they don't cross the resistance up here, it will definitely go to hell. It will definitely go to 35, between 20,000 and 35,000, which is amazing, great entry price to get into and buy more. Either the Bitcoins, either altcoins, or whatever you like, as long as it's a safe token. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Again, do your own research. This is just my opinion on this. I was right when it hit 15,000, when it was high on 80,000. I was right on that, so I feel very confident. Of course, this is not going to be something that's going to happen tomorrow. Like I said, these moves usually move a couple of years and get down. We already are on the bull run since 23, basically, 23, 24, 2 years in bull run already. So I think if we get lucky, we get another year of bull run, another year maybe, if we get lucky. If you can see here, the bear market basically sideways, 21, 22, blah blah. Let's check another bull run here. 20, see, 21. Let's say an average of 2 years you to take. 20, yeah, that's a year. So an average of 1 or 2 years, depending on how good it goes. We should already, if we go by history of movement price, we're already overdue here. And I think that, to be honest, guys, I see the same pattern here. You see it here? 2 shoulders, and then we got some sideways, and then boop, we go down. We check here. Let me reload this because sometimes you just. Let me reload this really quick because this was stupid. But yeah, like here, we already have. Where is my pencil? I don't usually use a pencil, so I keep forgetting where it is. But yeah, we already have the shoulder here. We have another shoulder here. Now we're gonna be trading sideways here. And if there's no resistance, most likely, whoop, that way, most likely. But like I said before, if we are positive on the bull market, then if we break the resistance we got here and we stay up that line, then yeah, it's gonna be amazing. But still, right now it's too high to buy, which I'm 70% sure is gonna go boop, down here. Thank you guys for watching. Have an amazing day. Just just leave a comment down below. I'm gonna keep updating on other tokens that I think they're very safe. Yeah, just let me know your opinion on this. Thank you. Bye.